Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah. Today I want to do a tattoo tour. I don't have that many. I think I have like 6. But I recently got my first bigger piece. I say bigger, but this is like regular size for most people. There will definitely be a tattoo tour update in the future because I am not done tattooing. I started getting tattoos last year. I got my first one last year. I've always loved tattoos because how I dress is very minimal. I like monochrome. I don't really like prints or patterns. Like I wear it sometimes, but like most of the time I'm wearing all black or all white. So to give my outfit a little bit more life, I always have to accessorize a lot. And I just feel like tattoos are like the ultimate accessory. It says so much about you and you don't ever have to take it off. And I think they're really sexy. Whether you're a guy or a girl, tattoos, to me, like this is just my opinion, but if you're usually like a 5, it could take you to like a 9 if you got good tattoos. I don't know, I love looking at other people's tattoos too, so I felt like I should share mine. I would see someone with a really nice tattoo in public and like I have this urge to ask them about it, but I also know it's really private and I don't really like it when people are too invasive about mine either. But at the same time, your artwork is so nice, I want to know where you got it done. But anyway, here are the tattoos I have. So I guess I should start chronologically. So the first one I got is a little heart on my butt. Oh, this is another thing. Some of my tattoos have meanings, some of them don't. Like some of them are just like, I think they're cute, they're accessories. I don't think all tattoos have to have like deep meaning about it. I actually really like stupid tattoos. But yeah, I got a heart on my ass because I love my butt. I also think it's just really cute and you can't go wrong with a little heart. And you also can't see it like when you're wearing clothes, so I felt like it wasn't that much commitment. I sometimes forget it's there. I got that done in Austin, Texas. I also wanted something small, something that can be done in a couple minutes so I can see how the paint is, because I don't want to start off with a big piece, pass out from the paint and not be able to finish it, you know? So that one was easy, especially since your butt is mostly fat. It didn't hurt very much. My second tattoo is this. It's a little handgun. This was actually my favorite tattoo until I got my big piece. I love finger tattoos, especially when they're detailed, but you really need to go to a tattoo artist who have experience with finger tattoos because it's such a small area and it's an area where, you know, you use a lot, you wash your hands a lot, so it does fade a lot quicker. But I love it precisely for the detail. I've had it for almost a year. I think it's so beautiful and I just love the detail of it. I also got this kind of as a rebellious tattoo because when I got my heart tattoo, a lot of people were like, you better not get any visible tattoos, and telling me I can't do something is the easiest way to get me to do something. When I decided I wanted a handgun, I went on Pinterest to look at designs of handguns and see which ones I like more, and I showed a picture of this handgun tattoo to my artist, and it was afterwards that I realized there's a model who also has this tattoo. I'm sorry now yours is a little less unique because of me, but it's a cool tattoo. So after this one, I went to get a tattoo that was dedicated to my mom. My mom is way more tatted up than I am, and she has multiple tattoos that's dedicated to me and my sister, so I wanted to get one for her as well. So I got this one. It's the year she was born. I just thought it was simple and to the point. I didn't want anything too complicated, but I am going to remove parts of it and try to modify it a little bit. So that's in the works. After that, I got this one. Y'all remember how I said I like stupid tattoos? So this one has absolutely no meaning. It's literally just a dot on my finger. I think it's just, again, something very minimal and something that has very little commitment because most people don't even notice it. It looks kind of like a mole, but I think it looks cool when I wear rings on that finger. But it actually ended up being a really big conversation piece, like more so than all of my other bigger, more complicated ones, because people look at it and they're like, what the fuck, why do you have a dot on your finger? Like usually people are like, this is so stupid, and they start laughing, and like I love that my tattoo makes people laugh. So that's what it means to me now. It makes people happy. The next one I got is this, another finger tattoo. I'm definitely gonna get more finger tattoos. I love Chinese character tattoos when you know what it means. This is the last character of my Chinese name. It's pronounced Si or Si. It means to think or to miss, and I just think it's very on brand of me and reminds me of my roots and reminds me to think. The last and my most recent piece, I got this done like 3 days ago. It hasn't even completely healed. It's still gonna scab. It's a pulled apart butterfly. What do you call those? In Cantonese we call them biobun. It's like those butterflies in glass cases. Please let me know what they're called in the comments. This was actually really inspired by one of my favorite albums. Paramore had a huge influence on my life, and I always wanted to get a tattoo dedicated to them as a teenager, but of course I wanted to wait until I'm older. But anyway, this symbolizes a lot of things for me. The first thing is my grandmother also has a butterfly tattoo. My mom is going to get a butterfly tattoo. Like I said, Chinese culture isn't very tolerant of people who have tattoos, especially if you're a woman. Tolerant isn't the right word, like accepting. And especially back then too, so it just reminds me of that legacy and how women from my family aren't afraid to be non-traditional. So that's why I chose a butterfly. It's pulled apart because this is kind of dark, but it reminds me of the human impulse to capture and collect things that we find beautiful, even if it means destroying the thing and taking the life from it. And to me, that symbolizes a lot of my frustrations that I have for social media. I don't know if it makes sense to other people. It makes sense to me. I actually designed this butterfly myself. I was looking through like so many pictures of butterflies to find the perfect one, and I couldn't decide between two, and I photoshopped them together. I also wanted it to be on top of my scars from when I used to cut as a teenager, and I don't know what that means to me yet, but I don't know, something about being a broken butterfly. Also, my skin looks splotchy. It's because I tried a new self tanner the day before I went in for the tattoo, which is so stupid. Anyway, I hope you found this interesting. These are not the last tattoos I'm gonna get. I really need to slow down, but it's really true what they say, that once you start, you get kind of addicted. I don't want like a whole sleeve or a half sleeve. I just want, you know, small little tattoos that has its own story in different places, even if it's a stupid story, you know? So yeah, when I get enough, I'll do an update video. If you're new here, you already watched the video, you stayed till the end, you might as well subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't yet so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and oh my god, I forgot to talk about this. 400K! We're at 400K! You know, I'm forever grateful for you guys. Like, what a milestone. 2019 might actually be my year. Thank you for all the love and all your support all these years. If you're new here, I still am very grateful for you for joining the family. But yeah, anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.